Welcome to this introduction to Surah Ara'ad, or the Thunder. This video explores insights from Tafhim al-Quran by Sayyid Abul Ala Maududi, focusing on divine truth, the laws of history, and tranquility of the heart. The title, Ara'ad, is a symbol derived from verse 13. Maududi clarifies it represents the power and majesty of the revelation itself, not a scientific treatise. The surah was revealed during the late Meccan period, alongside other important surahs. At this time, the opposition to the Prophet's mission had become stubborn and organized. This was a climate of anxiety. Believers yearned for a supernatural miracle to convince their enemies, who were tirelessly plotting to fail the mission. The central thesis is the unwavering truth. What the Prophet presents is absolute. Rejection stems from human error and arrogance, not a flaw in the message. The message rests on three pillars: Tawheed, oneness of Allah; Risalat, prophethood; and Ma'ad, the afterlife. These foundations structure the entire discourse. Skeptics and weary believers alike asked, why has no sign been sent down? The divine response clarifies that guidance is not about coercion through supernatural displays. The surah addresses the limits of miracles in verse 31. Faith must come from understanding and willingness, as obstinate disbelievers would dismiss any visual shock. The surah goes beyond cold logic to capture the heart using three methods: targhib, targhib, and mashfaqana talqeen, which is compassionate instruction. Instead of miracles, the surah uses the laws of nature as the ultimate proof. The order of the universe and the cycle of life are sufficient signs for the intellectual. The divine strategy offers reassurance. The delay in victory is part of a plan. The concept of respite allows enemies full time before inevitable accountability. Maududi emphasizes the folly of denial. Kufr, or disbelief, is not just a sin, but a failure of intellect leading to spiritual blindness. Faith is the natural state of a sound mind. In summary, the teachings affirm that truth is absolute, guidance is divine, and nature is sufficient, brimming with signs for the thoughtful. The final refuge is found in Surah Ara'ad 13:28. Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. Peace is found in connection with the divine.